Howdy, Possum Patty and the Soggy Bottom Bunch and the Possum City here. Yepers, it's Saturday. So what? Well, I took my sew-to-go bag over the river and through the woods. Yes, I did, because we did some traveling today. And I have my little slow stitch journal here that I carry in my sew-to-go bag. And I took a bunch of color registrations that Cheryl had sent me and started sewing them into the journal. Yes, I want to collect these things. I'm just going to fill this journal up with a lot of those color registration strips. But I also have some other things in here that I've been working on. And you might remember that I finished up Wilson the snail. Yes, I think the last time we saw my fabric snail, we were letting his eyeballs dry before I popped him into the little pocket there. I love all the stitching on Wilson. Yes, I stitched around all the flower petals, and I put a bunch of French knot stitches in the center there for the, for the center of the flower. And this is the heart that Janet Nash sent me. She makes hearts of love. Yes, she does. I haven't finished that page yet, but I'm going to work on it. Yeah. And I did a little bit of work on my bumblebee page. I added a little fabric square in the corner that has leaves on it, and I stitched around the outline of all the leaves. That was fun to do in the car, actually. French knots are hard, but straight stitching is much easier. It's a little yo-yo that was gifted to me. I put a button in the center. So that's my sunflower page with the little hedgehog that I turned into a possum down in the corner. Big pink ear. I think I need to give him another pink ear. Oh, I might change his ears to felt. I'm thinking about that. And here's the little fairy doll that I made. And I did add another layer to her skirt. I showed you this before with all the sequins on her skirt there. I love the color registration on that page. It's mushrooms. And the page next to it has little snowflakes as color registrations. And then on the fox and hedgehog page, which has little foxes for color registrations, yes, I gave the hedgehog some French knots. Yes, so it's kind of like a curly haired hedgehog. And then of course one of the first pages that I did in this journal was the mushroom with all the French knots, and I sewed on buttons. And the very first page was the one I sketched and then stitched. So yepers, I took my bag with me and I started sewing in the color registrations. And here we are, going through the woods. All right, let me show you how far I got with my color registrations. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this page. And I'm not really sure, but I think these are both from Christmas, Dr. Seuss, How the Grinch Stole Christmas fabrics. But anyway, there was a half from this one. I know that's the Grinch, and there was a half from this one. So here's 10 color registration sets. I love it. I'm just collecting these things. Yes, I am. Okay, there's one over there, and there's one over there, and there's one over there. Is that it? No. And this one has little foxes. This color registration is so cute. Yes, that's adorable. So I'm just going to fill this up with little stitchy projects and color registrations. Now these are from Cheryl. She gifted these to me, and I have a few more here. Oh, here's one. I didn't have any orange thread with me. I need to throw some in the bag because I was trying to do them in all different colors. Well, this one's the Flintstones. Yabba dabba do, right? Can I get the Flintstones in? No. I could. Oh, almost, yes. Okay, go for it. go for it. If I cut this really close. And yes, Flintstones. The Flintstones. Okay, so that'll be one there. Oh, there's another one on here. Ooh, should we put two on one page? We could separate these or put them together. And I think I have a few more here. Oh, this is a long one. Oh, I have to put Cheryl's name on here, that these are from Cheryl. Oh, here's another one. This is another long one. Wow. A lot of colors on this fabric. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're going to lose one? No, we'll just hang it off the edge a little bit. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and the one from my special possum fabric. She made me a pillowcase out of this possum fabric. Oh, this came from Joanne. Ooh, I'm going to have to go online. I'm going to have to go online and check for possum fabric at Joann's. I think I'll separate these two and put the important possum fabric right there. One, two, three, four, 5 more for this page. Ooh, she sent me 15 sets of color registrations. I have a bunch more. I just have to dig them out of the drawer. Yes. These are fun to sew while moving in the car. Okay, I think that's it for this pile. Oh, no, there's another one. There's another set. Ooh, this one's bright and colorful. Okay, 16. 16's my birthday. And she sent me some extra fabric from when she made my pillow. This is from your possum pillowcase. All right, so these will get stitched next time I'm in the car. I've got 6 more on here to sew. Oh, I could mix this up, right? I could mix this up. I like numbers going in different directions. Maybe we'll put one without numbers there. It doesn't really matter. No. Okay, that'll be that page, and then this will be over here. Oh, yes, we'll have one there and one there. Just like that. Let me just put some pins here. See, sometimes they go crooked while I'm riding in the car. This is not the easiest thing to do, but it really passes the time when you've got a long trip. Mr. Possum does the driving, and I do the navigating and the sewing. There we go. Yappers, I am finishing up this video on Sunday. It is snowing outside. Yes, it is. We traveled across the state yesterday. Beautiful day. 50 degrees, met with the family for lunch. Yippers, I did get some more birthday presents. And I'll share that with you in another video. Yes, yes, I will. This is now ready to go. I will pop it back into the bag. And the next trip is actually tomorrow. Mr. Possum has a dentist appointment, so I will take this along. And then I need to go through my sewing chest over there and pull out some of the other color registrations and get them ready. Now, the whole book is not going to be color registrations. This is going to be kind of like a cosmic smash. Slow stitching, embroidery, little dolls, the fairy doll, the snail doll, and lots of color registrations. Yes. But I found color registrations were easier to sew in than doing French knots while you're going over bumps in the road. Yes. Anyway, it all gets done. It all gets done. And it's fun. Yes, it's just a fun thing. It's just fun. It's relaxing. It makes time pass by quickly when I'm in the car because Mr. Possum is driving. Yippers. And speaking of driving, yes, let me show you one more part of the trip before we go. And this was a fave thing to do when I was little, yes, was when my dad took us driving on the Merritt Parkway in Connecticut. I know, this is why I am so easily entertained up to this day, I think, because I just loved it. Sitting in the back of his Volkswagen, not in the back seat, no. In the back of the Volkswagen, behind the back seat was this little cubby hole. I swear it's only like this big. And I used to be this little tiny thing and sit in that cubby hole and look out the back window. And I loved it when we went up hills and down hills and up hills and down hills. And just watching the hills from the back window. I'd look out the front window from where I was and get one view. Then I'd look out the back window and get another view. And then there were the tunnels. Oh, that was the best part. And if you roll down the window a little bit and go, ah, as loud as you could. Oh, the noise from the tunnel. Yes. Yes, very easily entertained. Life was very simple back in the 50s. Yes, it was. Oh, memories to share, right? Memories to share. So let's go up and down the hill and through the tunnel. And I'm going to say thanks for coming along today. And happy slow stitching. Bye-bye.